Turn the scanner on. Download and run your product's software package from the Epson support site. When you see this screen, click Accept, then click Next. Click Next. Select the wireless network option and click Next. If the installer is able to detect your wireless settings, you see this screen. Click Next. Then follow the rest of the on-screen instructions. The installer will automatically connect the product to your network, and your setup is complete. If the installer is unable to detect your wireless settings, you see this screen. Select this option and click Next. Then click Next. When you see this screen, look at your product's control panel. Press the Home button, then tap this icon. Tap Router, then tap Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Tap your network's name, then tap the Enter Password field. Next, enter your wireless password. If your password contains upper or lowercase letters, be sure to enter them in the correct case. Tap this icon to enter uppercase letters, or this icon to enter numbers or symbols. Tap this icon to enter a space. Tap this icon to delete characters. When you're done entering your password, tap OK. Then tap Start Setup. When you see this screen, select your product from the list, then click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Follow the rest of the instructions on the computer screen to install the software. When you see this screen, click Finish, and your setup is complete. Download and run your product's software package from the Epson support site. When you see this screen, select your product from the list, then click Next. Follow the rest of the instructions on the computer screen to install the software. You can repeat this process for additional computers.